Sorry. Expensive. And then I have to change time zones, which is a pain in the ass. They could make most followed time. They could be like that are active in chat right now. Hours. I do like it in black and white. Like super chill style. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my house. It's so weird. Oh, we can get it in purple too. Let's take the bandages off. I don't want bandages. What is this? And you can get banned or something. I mean, oh, hey, this guy. So apparently, his friends keep. Did I grow up with Nintendo 64? Yeah.
Oh.
I had a Super Nintendo too.
Oh.
You've changed, Joe, like I did when I went through puberty. Hey, you guys feel like playing some baseball? Excuse me, I'm gonna go masturbate.